Hi everybody, welcome to the
Hello.
huge
Welcome.
Javi Talk
Hi.
Poetry. And now we this time are celebrating New Year. This is our New Year Poetry Bash. Hi Hari, how are you?
I'm fine.
Today we have all the poets that have featured on Javi Talk in the last 2-3 months since we started this channel. We have Vishwas Vaidya, we have Rachna Sood. Hi Vishwas.
Hello.
Hi Rachna.
Hi.
We have Prashanti. Hi Prashanti. We have Nalini.
Hi Rashmi.
And we have the gracious and the gorgeous Meena ma'am here.
Hey everyone.
Namaskar.
Hi, big hi.
Hi.
Namaskar ji.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so today we are going to recite a few poems.
Nalini ji bhi hai, Nalini ji.
हाँ नलिनी को हाय बोला ना नलिनी.
हाँ बिल्कुल और हम अलग से नहीं हम लोग मैं रश्मि मुझे अपने साथ ही काउंट कर लेती है
अच्छा.
Thank you, Nalini. So today we are going to share some thoughts about New Year. As the New Year starts, we are welcoming the New Year with a lot of hope. This last year has been tough for all of us, but we are going to have a hopeful and a very happy and a healthy year ahead. So, Hari, would you like to talk something about the past year which has gone by, which has been tough for all of us?
Yeah, sure. It basically, everybody knows it was a tough year. But being poets, we are sensitive, sensible, and we always are hopeful. And we want to fill that hope to all our viewers. Though we have also struggled personally, but being poets, we are not worried about ourselves, but we are worried about the community, the people, and everybody. And we have to give hope to the community and the people around us. So my intention of this session was to bring about those aspects of our life and how we want to bring hope into the world, and how from our point of view can add a bit of positivity and bring about some new thinking.
Yes.
So since we started this Jab We Talk basically to promote poetry, but over a period of time, I feel that we are also helping a lot of people to come to limelight, and we also want them to prosper and be helpful to the poetic community. So that's the reason, and I think I have a small motto of Jab We Talk is also that poetry and personality is the motto of our group. So I want to promote good personalities and good poetry. So that was our intention, right, Rashmi?
Yes, there's so much of talent and there's so much of goodness which is hidden within all of us, and unless and until we reach out with a lot of positivity that is hidden with us, the universe will not welcome us. So it's a two-way process. When we give positivity, we get energized even more. So that I
Yes,
think so is why we started Javi Talk. Me and Hari,
correct.
when we started, we felt that we should provide a platform to so much of positivity and so much of poetry, which is so much hidden within every one of us. There are a lot of
Exactly.
people who write but don't share, but we want to share. We want them to share poetry on this channel.
That's right. So with this thought process, we want to welcome all our previous guests, and we want to wish them all the best in the new future.
Thank
And
you.
yes, and also would like to hear from them how was their journey with us, and what is the new things that they are thinking for the new year, what is the new resolutions they have, and also would like to listen to their new poetry or whichever they want to recite to our viewers.
Who goes first? Vishwas, you
So Rashmi,
me?
of
Yes,
course.
you can start. Rashmi, you
No,
can start.
Vishwas, you start. We want you
Okay.
to start.
Yes. Hmm. So as you say, the year was tough. The year was tough, but year was good for poetry. Year may be
Yes,
tough for all of us, but this toughness brings out the best in the poetry.
correct.
And our journey with you. Of course, I had a co-traveler in the journey
Yeah.
because we had a and it's like they call it no in South Africa blue train where they say journey is a destination. Hmm. So for us, this journey is itself is a destination. Ah.
True.
Journey with you is itself a destination anyway. So I will recite my poem.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is like a night, uh, uh, the night of mm, sorrow or despair, and we are looking forward to dawn. We are looking forward to dawn. So on that transition, we say let this night linger for a couple of moments more. So, so that is what the poem is. The title is
Yes.
Lips of a Blushing Dawn. If only the night, if only the night like a departing pilgrim, if only the night like a departing pilgrim lingers along little more in the moonlit temple of our chanting hearts. If only the night like a departing pilgrim lingers along little more in the moonlit temple of our chanting hearts, we could sign off. We could sign off duet of our pious dance. We could sign off duet of our pious dance, becoming one with the lips of blushing dawn. We could sign off duet of our pious dance, becoming one with the lips of a blushing dawn. So that is what it is. So we are all looking forward to the for the next year. So
It's
that
a
is the
very
point.
hopeful poem,
Thank
sir.
you.
It's a
Yeah,
very
very
hopeful
good.
poem.
Very
Hmm.
positive. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So, sir, I would just like to know what is your wishes for the next year? What are your plans?
My own plans, my own plans is continue. There are so many, as we say, the lips of dawn are waiting for us and me. So the whole year, a lot of opportunities are there, and we'll go with various assignments because I'm mentoring up startups and many people approaching me. So definitely these are the professional plans as such.
Yes, yes.
And thank you very much. So next person
Sure,
can
sir.
get
We
it.
will add this poem into our video also so that people can
Yeah,
read in the
description
description.
box. Please do.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So Rashmi, you can take over now.
I don't know who wants to go next. Meena ma'am, you want to go next?
I'll speak.
Yeah.
I don't mind. Yeah, so for me, like, as far as 2020 is concerned, and Javi Talk came together as one thing. So I'm so proud to be associated with these people, like, such lively people, happy people, positive people. And all thanks to Vishwas Vaidya sir for arranging all these things. It was all his efforts, and I have 0% contribution into this. So thank you, sir, for this. That is the first thing. And second thing is for me, like, as a publisher, 2020 has been a fabulous year. I think for most of the creative people across the world, 2020 has been a fabulous year simply because people have got lots and lots of time, ample amount of time to focus
Yes.
on their creativity. And the Impish Labs Publishing House, as Vishwas Vaidya sir knows, Rashmi also knows, now Hari also knows, we have creatively engaged almost 500 writers across the world for writing. Thank you so much. And then apart from that, so like, we have been doing so many free books, ebooks, paperbacks, And now we have so many writers, those who have participated in so many activities throughout the year. And since lockdown, we have increased that so that everybody is creatively engaged. I am just back, just 5 minutes back. I visited a family. Krishna Kumar sir is my editor, and his entire family had gathered because he had his granddaughter's birthday. There were around 5 writers of mine there. So you
Very
can
nice.
understand the impact that as a publisher, as a publishing house, we have created. Okay, so I look forward to 2021, wherein we have more and more of engagements. We have already signed 3 new authors whose books we would be publishing next year. So looking forward to it now, and had a wonderful year. So
you.
so many online courses I have done, so many webinars I have conducted, and so many all good things I have done, and awards, the amount of awards that I have received this year, it has been phenomenal.
Very good.
Congratulations.
So we wish you all the best for the next year as well.
Thank you so much. And this is a book, the latest release, that is Cascades, the treasure trove of teachers. So 104 teachers across the country have participated in this book. This is a Young Bards project for schools and colleges,
Okay.
wherein it's a free publishing project. We don't charge them for publishing.
Mhm.
Okay, and bare minimum rate we keep for the book so that it's affordable enough for everyone. Okay, and I'll be reading one poem from this book.
Sure.
Let me
Okay.
greet a new tomorrow.
Oh, great.
How should I stop myself from taking a leap in the dark today? The amiable dawn is dressed up to the nines, whispering the songs of love through the pines. Is it right to be hard on someone on this promising day? Behold, a clarion call of nature, and make a leaving. I refrain to move ahead without your thoughts and memories. If I choose to move ahead alone, I will either be sad or guilt-ridden about why I fail to gauge your expressions. My mind is filled with suspicions and queries. I should have mustered some courage and not seemed wary. My spiritual temper warned me against crying aloud, as it would disturb the fairies over the purple clouds. I carve a wonderful world of words, fantasies, and imagination, far off from gloom and filled with fascination. A cool breeze whistles over the slumbering morn and embraces my sigh. Millions of thoughts emanate from the innumerable recesses of my mind, marching towards me, leaving the world of chaos and sorrow, as I stand at my window to greet a new tomorrow. So this is the way
Wow.
I'm going to welcome
Wonderful.
2020.
Full of
Wonderful.
hope. Full of hope.
Beautiful.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Very inspirational poem.
Thanks.
Very true.
That's good. So it's very nice to be hopeful for the next year, and I think these kind of poems will always inspire people to keep moving ahead.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
sure they will. All her projects have been very inspiring. I've been in touch with what she's been publishing, and the work that Meena ma'am is doing is fabulous, I think.
Thank you so
Meena
much.
madam,
Rashmi.
being a teacher, what do you think is the future for the kids? Because all these virtual classes have messed up everything actually.
No, sir. It has not messed up things. It has prepared the kids for the worst.
Ah,
Like, what worse can happen? Okay, so they have become well equipped to fight with any problem that they face in future. They will remember, they can recall that, okay, fine, when I was in grade 10, this is what had happened. We were all indoors for a year. Like my 10th grade, I'm grade 10 class teacher. And my kids have not seen the school this year. And they would end up not
yes.
seeing the school. They will only go for board exam now. Okay, but then this is what has strengthened them. This is what I tell my kids. I always give them example of, what had happened to the Nazis and how things were, how people were like, in hiding for so long. And then Anne Frank's example, I give them, that girl who was in like, hiding for more than 2 years. But still, she was so hopeful. And she used to write. I inspire them to write. I tell them whatever comes to your mind. You're frustrated, you're happy, you're angry, write, paint, do something wherein, like, you can just vent out your emotions and feelings. So these things they will remember. They have learned to fight the worst. So they will emerge stronger. Sir.
Yeah, that's a
That's a
very
good way of saying.
way of
Yes.
looking at things.
Yeah.
Absolutely,
True.
Actually,
good
actually,
perspective.
why to fight for find faults only?
Hmm.
True,
Yeah.
true, true. Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Correct,
Nalini
correct.
ji, because you are also a teacher, what is your thought process about this entire thing?
Actually, I have mixed feelings about it. The online
Mm.
classes have definitely made our teachers as well as the students. They were, of course, very savvy, computer savvy, but even the teachers who avoided working on the computer system and all, they had to, and definitely they have emerged stronger. Somehow more creative also to find every possible way how to teach, how to engage, because it's not easy engaging children in online class. I know my son is
True.
in 9th, he'll be going to 10th now, and he had lot of complaint about online classes because
Hmm.
he definitely preferred personal person to person interaction, but it
True.
brought forth his oral skills,
Mm.
brought forth before the class, where now he has many more friends. He's much more he's a good speaker now. And I had to make sure that he is into writing also, so that the balance is there. But yes, definitely not giving up is something everybody has learned. All of us have learned that giving up is not an option. We have to find a way. And
Yeah.
that way, it has
Yes.
been a year, very fruitful year. We have found different ways to cope up.
Correct. And also, I feel it is an evolution for us because this is something as a entire nation, entire world, we are facing a common crisis. And I think we are evolving with this major crisis, and we are surviving through these kind of virtual activities. And probably we will also try to be more smarter.
Oh, I think most of us are very smart with this year-long exposure, and the children have gone beyond us.
Correct.
Actually, it was very. I learned a lot from my students also. Using gaming as part of teaching and all that, I took lessons from my students, so as to involve gaming in a class. Like
Right.
Microsoft has different tools, so we tried all that. So it's better to look at the positives that we have got instead of just valuing in the troubles that we face.
And
With, with
we have Prashanti madam, who is the principal. I
Okay.
think she will tell us something more about this and how we are going to go ahead in the future
Administrator's
with this
point
kind
of
of
view.
things. Prashanti, can
Yeah,
you say something about
yeah,
this?
yeah, sure. Actually, this lockdown, like Meena ma'am said, it brought out the best in the students. My shyest kids also, who were introverts actually in the class, they started shining now. But initially, there was a lot of trouble. Like even teachers were struggling to manage this, and students also had difficulties, and parents had to manage. Everyone should be having this facility of having a laptop or a tab or everything. By the time everything got set and we started the academic year, children were fast catching up than the teachers. And now I realize that my children are doing far better than like when they were in the actual class. It's not that the physical classes are not good, but online also, children, I think they are adaptable, more flexible. They can quickly take up any kind of challenge. This challenge forever they'll remember. Like just like Meena ma'am said, it's going to be a wonderful memory for them. And yeah, they're doing so good. Even now we have physical classes in the morning, and afternoons we go with the online classes. Children are doing all those, like I said, introverts who were not opening up during our regular classes.
Hmm.
Now they're so outspoken because they have the support of the parents at home, and they feel that yeah, informal atmosphere maybe that's helping the students a lot. I'm feeling good about it. And we teachers also became techie savvy. Previously, we didn't know much. We just were doing what's required for the office and how much is required of the computer Only that much we were doing. But now we are like everything. Yeah, you give us anything, we are ready to do. That kind of attitude we also started taking up. Yeah, there's a lot of change. I think as teachers and as an administrator, initially I had tough time making everyone come onto the platform and make things possible. But now I'm enjoying, and my
But
works
this
have
is
become easy, you know.
this is going to be a reality from now onwards everywhere. Either you have to work online
Yeah,
or
it's
you have
going
to.
to be.
Hmm.
Yeah, we need
How
to
was your
accept it as a
experience?
fact. After this, going to be like this.
Yeah. Rachna ji and myself being parents, I think we have a different thought process. आपको क्या लगता है रचना जी, कैसा लगता है वर्चुअल क्लासेस आपके बच्चे का? आपका बच्चा भी 10th में है?
He is in 11th now, but he spent most of his time of 10th in the lockdown only. So 11th में है, classes online होती हैं, and sometimes they do creepy things as well. They play music while the teacher is teaching. They play music, and then I have to go and scold. And then sometimes they do what, they just put the phone aside and playing games. They do these kind of things as well, but it's just that they have to study more by themselves also.
Yes.
And teachers are more lenient towards them. They are more loving. They are taking care of the students a lot. They are helping them basically. So I'm okay with it.
Good. So going back to poetry, I think Rashmi, who is the next?
You tell me who wants to go. Let us read some Hindi poetry.
Yes, रचना जी आप पढ़िए आपका चाय वाला पोएम, बहुत ही सुंदर.
तो कुछ वक्त अपने साथ भी बिताइए, कुछ वक्त अपने साथ भी बिताइए, कभी खुद को भी चाय पर बुलाइए, कीजिए कुछ मुलाकातें कभी अपने आप से भी, कीजिए कुछ मुलाकातें कभी अपने आप से भी, आईने में कभी खुद को देखकर खुद ही मुस्कुराइए. रंग जिंदगी से उड़ गए हैं अगर, रंग जिंदगी से उड़ गए हैं अगर, किसी नए रंग से जिंदगी सजाइए. कोई अपना अगर जहां में नहीं, कोई अपना अगर जहां में नहीं, तो खुद अपने आप को अपना बनाइए.
वाह क्या बात है.
Beautiful
टूटे
thought.
टूटे हैं सब यहाँ थोड़े थोड़े, टूटे टूटे हैं सब यहाँ थोड़े थोड़े, उन टूटे हुओं से जुड़ जाइए. अपने अंदर के बचपन को जगाइए, कभी अपने अंदर के बचपन को जगाइए. खुली सड़क पर बेफिक्र साइकिल चलाइए. बारिशों में खोलकर घर के दरवाजे, बारिशों में खोलकर घर के दरवाजे, कागज की नाव पानी पर चलाइए. जिंदगी जिंदा दिली से जीजिए, जिंदगी जिंदा दिली से जीजिए, बेवजह खुलकर मुस्कुराइए. छोड़ दीजिए फिक्र जमाना क्या कहेगा.
वाह क्या बात है.
छोड़ दीजिए फिक्र जमाना क्या कहेगा, खुद अपने लिए जिए, औरों को भी यही सिखाइए. कभी खुद को भी चाय पर बुलाइए, कुछ वक्त अपने साथ भी बिताइए.
Very nice, very nice.
बेहतरीन,
I truly believe in this.
Awesome.
बहुत खूबसूरत. हाँ.
Thank you.
Time for ourselves.
Yeah, we
Time for
should
ourselves. Then only we can
live
do
for
better.
ourselves. Yeah, when are we going to live for ourselves? Like when?
Yeah,
I'm
when?
doing now.
It's also a very touching poem. Very touching poem. Very nice. बहुत
Thank you so much.
I think ये
इससे
lesson हम लोग को
ज्यादा
लॉकडाउन ने दे ही दिया है. Earlier we
सबसे
looked
ज्यादा
at
मुझे
others for company. Now we look at ourselves for company.
सबसे ज्यादा इसमें ये पोएम में मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है कि कभी हम अपने आप के बारे में नहीं सोचते हैं. जिस तरह से रचना जी ने लिखा है, उससे लगता है कि हमें अपने बारे में ज्यादा सोचना चाहिए.
Very true. I think
कभी
about
अपने
myself, huh? Sir?
कभी अपने आप को चाय पे बुलाइए.
आप इतने बोरिंग भी नहीं है कि अपने साथ अपनी कंपनी को एंजॉय नहीं कर सकते.
True, very true.
आप काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है. अपना इंटरेस्टिंग साइड अपने आप को भी दिखाना चाहिए कि हम
We all
कितने
have to
इंटरेस्टिंग
see
हैं.
that, yeah.
That is why Rashmi started with a tea for herself.
बिल्कुल.
चाय पे चर्चा टीम.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. रचना जी, आपकी कविता इतनी अच्छी लगी सबको, तो हम चाहते हैं कि एक और आप पढ़ लें।
ठीक है,
तब तक हम भी अपने आप लोग को वर्चुअल और अपने आप को रियल चाय पिला रहे हैं।
हाँ,
तो
I
ये
also
पोएम
bottle.
है कि
Don't go by the
हमारी
color.
कि हमारी
Okay, go ahead.
पेन जो होता है उसका इंक तो ब्लू होता है, बट हम
जी।
कैसे उससे डिफरेंट इमोशंस को पोर्ट्रे करते हैं, तो मेरी पोएम उस पर है। जब स्याही का रंग नीला होता है तो वह कागज पर कैसे उकेर देती है इतने सारे रंग। कभी इश्क के सुर्ख लाल रंग से रंग देती है धवल पन्नों को, कभी इश्क के सुर्ख लाल रंग से रंग देती है धवल पन्नों को, कभी शाम की चाय सा सांवला कर देती है। ये नीली काली स्याही कैसे श्वेत रंग के पन्नों पर बिखेर देती है अपने अरमानों के रंग। आपके अंतर मन में छुपे लाल गुलाबी श्वेत सुनहरी सपनों के रंग, कुछ अनकहे किस्सों और कड़वी बातों या यादों की श्याम से रंग। कभी विचारक, कभी साधक, कभी क्रांतिकारी रंग, ये स्याही कैसे ओढ़ लेती है हर लिखने वाले का रंग।
क्या बात है।
कैसे दे देती है ये नीली स्याही इन शब्दों को इतने सारे रंग।
बहुत बढ़िया।
Thoughtful.
Wow, wow, wow.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Nalini, you would want to go with your Hindi poem?
Yeah, sure.
हाँ,
Sure.
नलिनी
ये पोयम मैंने अभी तो नहीं लिखी।
नलिनी इतना
हाँ, बोलो
ध्यान
please.
से सुन रही है, वो खो गई है सबके पोएट्री में।
हाँ, एक्चुअली मतलब दिस इज समथिंग वी ऑल एंजॉय ना। यूजुअली खाली पढ़ने में उतना मजा नहीं आता है, सामने से सुन के एंड देन द एक्सप्रेशंस ऑन द फेस ऑफ द पर्सन हु इज रिसाइटिंग एज वेल एज ईच वन ऑफ अस, वो थोड़ा कुछ मसाला और ही बन जाता है। तो ये पोएम वैसे जब मतलब आई थिंक दिस वन पोएम आई रोट इट ऑन अ न्यू ईयर्स ईव ओनली लास्ट ईयर। तो मैंने जब ये लिखी थी तो ये था कि बहुत सारी चीजें वही है कि पूरे साल क्या क्या होता रहा वही सब कहीं दिमाग में रहा। और अभी मुझे लगता है दिस इज समथिंग टू गो बाय ऑल द इयर्स टू कम। ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग ये चाहेंगे कि ये नया साल, आने वाला नया साल और आने वाला हर नया साल ऐसा हो। तो मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है ये नववर्ष कैसा हो। तो ये नववर्ष कैसा हो, ये नववर्ष ऐसा भावे कि मन तरंग बज उठे, तन मन में हो जागृत विश्वास कमल किरने। एक मानव दूसरे जन के पर संदेह बाण न फेंके, एक पुरुष दूसरे की नारी के तन पर आंखें न सेके। विषम स्थितियों से हो विफल कोई भी प्राण न त्यागे, हार हो तो भी बढ़े आगे कोई भी हिम्मत छोड़ मेहनत से न भागे।
क्या बात है।
तब समझें सब समझें और जागृत हो अंतरात्मा से सब। तब समझें सब समझें और जागृत हो अंतरात्मा से सब। नारी भी जाने और माने अपनी अंतहीन शक्ति, प्रेम और संतोष जागे सब में हो और वासना से हो विरक्ति। बच्चे जिए बचपन फिर से नव यौवन जरा ठहरे, बचपन जिए बच्चे फिर से और नव यौवन ठहरे। हैं इच्छाएं अनंत कैसे हो अंत इस कामनाओं की पंक्ति का। इच्छाएं हैं अनंत, हम सबकी इच्छाएं अनंत है। हर नए साल पे हमारे रिजोल्यूशंस बहुत होते हैं। इच्छाएं हैं अनंत कैसे हो अंत इस कामनाओं की पंक्ति का, पर पूरी हो वो हर कामना जिससे हो सामना पाक इच्छा शक्ति का। यह प्रार्थना करबद्ध मेरे उस विश्वव्यापी ईश्वर से हर मनुष्य इंसान बन जाए, बस यही है कामना इस जग के स्वामी से। ऐसा हो हर वर्ष, ऐसा हो नववर्ष।
जबरदस्त,
बहुत ही अच्छा,
बहुत बढ़िया,
पावरफुल पोएम, वेरी पावरफुल, very powerful
very
emotions,
beautiful, yes.
very powerful words, very nice. हालांकि मैंने पढ़ लिया था व्हाट्सएप पे आपका, मैंने तभी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था। वेरी नाइस।
मैं तो साल भर बाद आई वाज रीविजिटिंग दिस पोएम और मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि भले ही हमने एक साल पहले लिखा बट इट मतलब दैट्स सैड नो कि सिचुएशंस ज्यादा बदली नहीं है।
हम्म,
और हमारी मतलब प्रार्थना वही रहेगी हर साल।
हर साल वही रहेगा।
बिल्कुल,
Nalini
बहुत ही
ma'am, I
अच्छी
need
सी
to say
कविता
something.
है।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू,
Actually, I have a
थैंक यू।
problem speaking Hindi, but
नो
I
प्रॉब्लम
can
मैम।
read. When I was reading your poem, I felt so good. But after listening to you reciting the poem, I'm feeling really wow, great.
थैंक
Yeah.
यू,
So
थैंk यू,
very beautiful, loved it. And Rachna ji,
थैंक यू।
I don't feel like reading your poems at all. I feel like listening to you.
Yes.
Hindi, it's already tough for me.
Watching.
It's already very tough for me. So why should I take the pains of reading when I can hear you sweetly reciting that? Nalini ma'am and Rachana ma'am,
Exactly.
both of you, thanks a
Thank
lot.
you
I'm
so
enjoying.
much.
Rachana ma'am, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, she recites so well. Yeah, last time also I became a fan of her. And the way she said Rachana, I'm there in everyone's poems. So
Thank you
it
Now
so
we
much.
contributes
It
Rachna
me
means
a
a
है।
little
lot.
bit.
It really means a lot coming from you. Thank you so much. I'm really, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you. Actually, I'm
तो
enjoying.
रचना जी आप सोचिए, अपना एल्बम बनाइए, हम खरीदेंगे।
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल।
सच्ची में
We
कह
will
रहा हूँ।
buy. Yeah, I'm going to
Long
ask as
drives
a
with
gift.
Rachna.
Yeah, sure. I'm thinking on it.
जी,
Good.
उसका बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक मैं
Good for
बना
us.
दूंगा आपके लिए।
Okay.
What an offer.
Yeah,
यस
Wow.
यस।
I know he is too good.
कुकुन का मैंने बनाया था, बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक काफी पसंद आया
Yeah,
सबको।
Cocoon's
Hmm.
background
Ah.
music was so mystical,
Yes, yes, yes. Fabulous.
full of
Yeah.
suspense.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Somehow I haven't been. कबीर के एग्जाम के चक्कर में बीच का मैंने कुछ भी अभी देखा सुना नहीं है. I have all the links saved in one mail. Now I'll check.
No, wonderful video he has made.
No,
Wonderful
but
video.
all the episodes of Jab We Talk are wonderful. I have heard
हाँ
them
नहीं,
again
वो
and
तो enjoyable
again.
है, definitely.
Very enjoyable. Yeah, it's like you are watching a episode of some serial kind of thing. It's
Yeah.
Coffee with Karan, better than Coffee with Karan at times.
Oh yes,
Very
No.
interesting.
nothing
Jab-
controversial about it.
No, nothing, not at all. It's all fun. It's
Even
all
I've been
smiling
watching that
faces and
repeatedly.
all the happy faces, all the positive talks. So it's very nice.
Yeah, sometimes we go out of the line, but it is fine because
Yeah,
we
because
want to actually, we want to
we
talk
natural.
more than.
we know each other,
Yeah.
so we can talk like this also. No, very casual
Yes,
at
yes.
times.
Right.
Actually,
So
Good
now
circle we are
Prashanti,
building up.
Prashanti, you can recite something for us, your beautiful English poems.
Yes, please.
Oh, wow. Thank you. But before that, I would like to say, like, you told in our WhatsApp group, like, how it, changed any anecdotes after our Jab We Talk show.
Oh, yes.
So I would like to say this, thanking you first, because after my chat show, like your chat show with me, my students started, first thing I go to my class, they say, "Good morning, ma'am, your poems are so good." So I felt so happy about it, and so many views. And yeah, and another thing is, a few of my classmates have seen that. Last year, December 21st, we had a mega reunion, like more than 20 batches of our school. We all met together, had a reunion. And this year, I mean, today actually, by 9 o'clock, it's going to be inaugurated. The e-magazine is going to be inaugurated.
Lovely.
And for that, they asked me to, they asked me to write a poem on all the, that days. I mean, December 21st, 2019, that day celebration event wise. They wanted me to write a poem on that and recite it. So, Jab We Talk, thank you very much. You made me famous in my school. So that's
Yes.
it. Thank you so much. Even our school Telugu teacher, she sat beside me last second Saturday. She sat beside me and she took my own phone and she started listening here and there where she didn't understand. She was asking me. She was enjoying the poems. And first time these people have come to know that I write poems because I don't tell anywhere. I just post them and I think, okay, whoever wants to read, let them read. If they want to say something, okay, let them say. I'm happy with that because these poems are for myself that I've been writing.
Yeah.
But when yesterday, one more thing, I want to say all these things and thank you for that. yesterday, one of my classmates again, she wished me, she gave my Christmas greetings, and then she said, "Yeah, Prashanti, I'm so happy. I'm reading your poems, and those vibes are so good. I'm feeling so happy. Keep writing, and there's a long way for you to go." So this is all because of you, Debbie Talk. Thank you so much, you and Hari and Rashmi. Thank you so much. So
And
now,
I want to
That's really
congratulate
wonderful initiative.
Prashanti also.
yeah.
Her video was the topmost viewership, and we got so many comments as well. More than 100 comments we have got.
Congratulations.
Yeah, is it?
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Hey, that's all, you know, students, when they see the teachers, automatically they'll say, wow, whatever it is, wow. And then, of course, they go through that. I'm happy for that. Thank you. So now this is one of my poems titled Takeover. Like, just like Rachana ma'am just said, we need to sometimes take over ourselves, and we need to enjoy ourselves and overcome our emotions. And if required, we need to express them, not suppress them, because suppressing is not going to do anyone any favor. And how we react to situations, this is what my poem says. And here it goes. Takeover. Life itself is an unpredictable state. Focus on it, be alert and succinct. Outsmart the opposition with powers unbuilt. Conditioned to sharpen your powerful instinct. Sat in warmth of an indigo night, finding yourself in a situation fraught. Whatever emotion is brought out speaks of your moral might. Emotions like anger, disgust, laughter, sadness, surprise, and terror. Suppressing does none any favor. Win them over, fill life with flavor. Thank you.
Lovely.
Very nice.
Oh, wow.
Very well written.
Also very powerful.
What I would like to tell about Prashanti's poems is she is very down to earth, and most of her poems are about life lessons. So whenever you read something from her poetry, you will learn
You
something.
can relate to it, yeah.
Yes, and it's
There's some
inspirational.
take home.
And it's very beautiful.
Prashanti's poems are
Thank you.
very inspirational. In fact, one of her poem I liked it so much when in the video that we featured her, one of her poems was very, very extremely powerful. Most of them are like that. That is, that is a
Reality
result
shock.
of so much of struggle that people go in life, and when they sit to write something, it is mandated that it's going to be extremely powerful with words. So
Mhm.
Thank you so much, Rashmi.
Wonderful.
I remember that is reality shock.
yeah, that is reality
Yeah.
shock. Yeah, I like that poem a lot actually. I'm still in with my mother in Pune. So when I reach home, I'm going to put that on my board there. So whenever I feel low, I'm going to read that.
Honored,
Yeah,
honored.
definitely.
Thank you.
Exactly. That's what I was thinking. That all of us who have shared our poems on the WhatsApp group, all the inspirational poems, actually, we should put up on a board.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we should. We should.
And that would be so like motivational. Whenever we feel low, it's not, we have got such august company to cheer us up.
Definitely.
True.
It's true. Hari, would you like to go next?
I think we'll ask Meena Madam to recite something.
Yeah, Meena ma'am recited something. So again, we'll have her back.
One more.
One more.
Okay, this is my poetry collection.
Yeah.
Can you see this book?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is that the
It's
same?
Emotions Infinitas. That is the title of the book. And the first poem is this. Is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Smile a lot.
Yeah. So this is the first poem, Smile a Lot. I'll just read out this poem to you.
Mm-hmm.
Tell them there is no vacancy for pessimism and despondency.
Wow.
If you want to stay with me, let yourself get rid of monotony.
Come on.
If you carry the baggage of gloom, I'm sorry, for you there is no room. Stop cribbing over your daily snags. Stoop down to lift the idyllic flag. Life is petite and time is on the trot. How will you manage? Give it a thought. My dear friend, chuck out your frown. Take time out to smile a lot.
Great.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Awesome. Yes. Smiling.
Really beautiful.
Yes. Is this the same book where I wrote a forward? Is this the same
Yes, sir.
book where
Yes,
I wrote a
yes.
forward?
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you very much.
This is the first poem of that book, Emotions Infinitas. And I'll just read out what made me write this book, okay?
Okay.
Right from early childhood till the time we die, we go through various arousal and appraisal of situations that affects our mood and personality known as emotions. Human life is nothing but a collection of various emotions. We feel ecstatic and we feel sad. We feel fearful and we feel mad. We feel horrified and we feel agonized. We get back to normalcy, sometimes surprised. Whenever I'm encircled by these emotions, I try to pen down my thoughts on paper, and this book is an amalgamation of it. Emotions Infinitas is an assortment of verses jotted down on several occasions. All the verses express some or the other emotion. So this is what the book is about, and the foreword has been written by Vishwas Vidyasachi.
Thank you
So
very much.
this is what he has written, and that was
Very
how we
nice.
got connected. Otherwise we wouldn't have got connected except for those poems that he posts on the Facebook in the comment box of all the poets across the world. So this was like close association with him, wherein he went through all my poems and he took time out to write a very beautiful foreword to this. A very
Yes.
beautiful
To,
foreword.
to add to that, Hari so this particular conversation that I should write a forward happened when I was on my way to Detroit, and it takes more than 24 hours. So sleepless hours. So during those sleepless hours, actually her poetry also kept me awake. And the last one, the last para I signed off, just looking at the river, and then I forwarded to her. And the sequel is our novel. Sequel to the
memory.
forward is the novel.
So Hari, ready to go?
Yeah, sure. So I'll recite my poem. It's called
Yes,
Mirror
please.
Image. It's basically about what Buddhism teaches us in terms of how to be connected to the world and still be disconnected from the issues and the various problems that we are facing. So I just wrote a small poem. It's called Mirror Image. We see stress, anxiety, nothing righteous in society. Blind repetitions of inappropriate actions are causing confusions, contradictions, and convolutions. Questioning why, who is causing, are no antidotes. Instead, are aggravators to the prevailing egos. Need to get back to our roots, the teachings of our ancient scripts. Recalling those verses would help manage the menace. It could bring sense back from the prevailing nonsense. Gautam Buddha preached, be connected, yet be disconnected, he said. These words are deep and enabled. We are but deeply blinded. Does it mean to be an unbiased observer and watch one's own thoughts, not act in haste and be a guide to one's own self? In overcoming pride within self, what a profound insight is found for a way to peaceful coexistence. So, by being at peace within, all can win. In acceptance of differences, we can see in others a mirror image.
Great.
Exactly.
Lovely.
Very
Wonderful.
good.
Very well written.
Wonderful.
Beautiful.
Wonderful.
Excellent.
True.
Thank you.
It's so good.
Excellent.
So, Rashmi, you can recite yours.
Yeah. Um, this is more like a song that I wrote. The day has ended, but hope hasn't. The day has ended, but hope hasn't. Seemingly, darkness envelops me, but a ray of light guides. You, a constant source of courage. You, a constant source of courage. The day has ended, but hope hasn't. The day has ended, but hope hasn't. At the brink of ecstasy, life dissuades, but you don't. At the brink of ecstasy, life dissuades, but you don't. The day has ended, but hope hasn't. The day has ended, but hope hasn't. As I cover my head in obeisance, I bow before you. I'm grateful for your grace. I'm grateful for your grace. Sunlight sparkles on my face. Your resolute power picks me up. Sunlight sparkles on my face. Your resolute power picks me up. The day hasn't ended yet, nor has hope. You are my constant source of hope, love, power, and courage. You are my constant hope, you constant source of hope, love, power, and courage. And let my faith not dwindle. Remember, let my faith not dwindle. Let hope not fade. Let hope not fade. Let there be light. Let there be light, love, and peace. Let there be love. Let there be hope. Let us feel your grace. Let us feel your grace and let us renew. That's it.
Yeah, Javaras.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Very
Beautiful.
hopeful
Wonderful, wonderful.
poem.
Yeah, very
Love,
beautiful.
light,
Full
and
of
hope is needed.
Yes.
Yeah.
The most
Need
needed
of
thing now.
Thank you.
yes, yes. So
Rashmi ji
Rashmi, you want
expected you
to?
to sing that song.
Um, there was, I'm a very avid listener of the late great singer Jagjit Singh, and he had sung a song which was written by Sabir Dutt. And the song was like that: एक ब्राह्मण ने कहा है कि ये साल अच्छा है, जुल्म की रात जल्द ढलेगी अब तो, आग चूल्हों में हर एक रोज जलेगी अब तो, भूख के मारे कोई बच्चा नहीं रोएगा, चैन की नींद हर एक शख्स यहाँ सोएगा. So basically, if you listen to this song, this is a song of hope, and I always listen to this song because it's such a hopeful song, and the late singer Jagjit Singh is one wonderful singer.
Yeah, true, true. I'm just remembering one more poem which Prashanti had last time recited. I don't know if she still has it. That sailor poem, it was really good. Can you recite it, Prashanti?
Sailor. Okay. Sailor steak?
Yes.
Yeah. 1 second. 1 second. I need to check it out.
Okay. In the meantime, I think one poem from Nalini ji, the Krishna poem which she completed last time, she can recite. It is a beautiful poem for us.
Which I completed and I have still not jotted down the completed part.
That is one
I
of the
also,
most.
yeah, I will. Just a minute.
So meanwhile, shall I? I have it with me.
Yeah, please.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
listening.
please.
Yeah.
I'll fill the gap.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, it's not a
Sailor-
gap. You are leading the way.
Yeah, this is one more. What I feel about our life is like we need to have a goal and then aim and reach it. Whatever may happen, smile, have the determination to reach it. That's it. So for that, the title of the poem is Sailor's Stake. Row through the ripples, sail eyeing the shore. When sunset is casting an orange glow, bleeding into pristine white, lean towards being harder when darkness cloaks the way. Faith illuminates, never ignore. Subliminal impact on the fringe. Your urging consciousness be secure. Giving in to a debacle is to indulge in becoming a loser. Sailor, in hope, sail the sunset. That's Sailor's Stake.
Very nice.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Could you ask her to recite it in front of us? At least we could hear it. Such a beautifully written poem.
Very much.
Thank you so much.
Actually,
Thank you so much,
recitation
Meena.
adds life to words.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, when the poet puts their own emotion when they recite their poems, then it is having a altogether very different impact. It's very beautiful.
Yes.
Thank
That's
you.
why it is. We call
Yeah,
it as
that is
poetry and
beautiful.
personality.
Yeah.
So Nalini ji, you can
I'm
recite
still
that Krishna
finding
poem.
you
Okay.
raised the I'm still
Cite any poet.
trying to find it because my Hindi poems are not published yet, so I'm still like keeping them at different places, and that's my resolution for the coming year, that I'll get it published so that I don't have to spend time searching in mails and everywhere.
रचना जी आप सुना दीजिए वो बारिश वाला
प्लीज प्लीज, हाँ मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम दीजिए
जी.
है तो ये बारिश को भी हम देख सकते हैं, या नववर्ष जैसे अब स्टार्ट होने वाला है तो हम उसे भी देख सकते हैं कि हम पुरानी बातों को कैसे भूलकर आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. तो ये पोएम है, आज बरसात में रख दो खोलकर, आज बरसात में रख दो खोलकर अपने यादों के खजाने की संदूकची. यादें जो कुछ हो कड़वी और कुछ मीठी, अनुभव कुछ अच्छे तो कुछ बुरे, धुल जाने दो पुरानी लिखावट की स्याही, मिट जाने दो जो भी था अब तक का लिखा, कर लो अपने मन के कागज को फिर से कोरा, लिखो कुछ नया, कुछ ऐसा जो अब तक ना किया हो, सोचा तो बहुत बार हो पर रोक लिया हो, कभी लाज ने, कभी डर ने या किसी मजबूरी ने. अब करो वही जो मन करे और लिखो फिर से एक कहानी नई, एक ऐसी कहानी जो स्मृति में आए तब भी होंठ मुस्कुराए बिना न रह पाए. बरसात में भीग जाने दो अब तक के हर पन्ने को, लिखने को कहानी एक नई, पर इस बार हर शब्द अपने मन से लिखना, इस बार हर शब्द अपने मन से लिखना.
Perfect message.
Jabardast.
Very good.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Very wonderful.
रचना जी आपकी जो रचनाएं हैं उसको सुनने से ही हमें इतनी खुशी होती है कि अब हम तो पढ़ना ही नहीं
बारिश में
चाहते
भीग
इसको.
जाते हैं,
Hmm.
शब्दों की बारिश.
बिल्कुल
Thank you
बहुत
so
लिरिकल
much.
लिखती हैं और बहुत ही सुंदर इनका उच्चारण और बोलने का तरीका है, बहुत ही अलग तरीका है इनका.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm ready. हरी सर, अगली बार आप जब डिमांड करने वाले हो पोएम मुझे पहले से बता दीजिएगा.
नहीं ये स्टॉप गैप था ना बीच में, तो क्या करें.
नहीं, आई नो. उसके बाद हम सभी बिजी रह रहे थे, मुझे वाकई में निकालने का टाइम ही नहीं मिला. एनीवेज,
हाँ
ये पोएम मैंने जन्माष्टमी पे लिखी थी कुछ साल पहले, और कृष्ण की जिंदगी में जितनी अलग अलग महिलाएं आई हैं उनकी दृष्टि से कृष्ण, उस पे मैंने लिखा था. तो
जी.
सबसे
I
पहले
remember this.
हाँ, सबसे
You
पहले
recited
राधा
in
की
your chat
दृष्टि
show.
से.
Wonderful one. Sorry. Carry on.
सांवरा सलोना सजन है वो सखी, राधा कैसे छुपे कैसे बचे उसके यतन से, मोह लेता है जो बांसुरी की तान से, और चुरा लेता है होश सबके बिना किसी जतन से. फिर मीरा की दृष्टि से, मैं तो बस मेरे सांवरे के रंग राची, मैं तो बस मेरे सांवरे के रंग राची, सुध बुध छीन लियो वो रूप मनोहर, जीवन डोर उन संग जोड़ चुकी सखी मैं, बस जीवन केशव ही केशव है, बोलूं मैं सच सच सब साची, मैं तो बस मेरे सांवरे के रंग राची.
Jabardast.
रुक्मिणी, संग सभी के हैं वो, संग सभी के हैं वो और मेरे जीवन साथी हैं, संग सभी के हैं वो और मेरे जीवन साथी है, गर्व मुझे होता है संगिनी हूँ उनकी मैं, याद कोई करे ना करे नाम लेते राधा का सब, फिर भी मधुसूदन रहेंगे मेरे ही सदा, आखिर अर्धांगिनी हूँ उनकी मैं। अब
जबरदस्त।
यशोदा माँ, देखो मेरे घर आया मेरा चित चोर, देखो मेरे घर आया मेरा चित चोर, मोह लिया अपनी सांवरे से रूप से, लाल मेरा मनमोहन है ऐसा कि डरती हूँ लग ना जाए नजर उसको किसी की बुरी नजरों की धूप से, देखो मेरे घर आया मेरा चित चोर। और अब जो पार्ट मैंने ऐड किया था वो मैं अपनी याद से पढ़ूंगी, आई डोंट हैव जॉटेड डाउन। तो देवकी, ये मेरी पहली बार जब मैंने इंटरव्यू दिया था तो ये मेरी पोएम इनकम्प्लीट थी, और पढ़ने के बाद
जी।
मुझे सडनली रियलाइज हुआ कि मैंने देवकी माँ को मिस कर दिया। वी
यस
टेक हर फॉर ग्रांटेड ना, उन्होंने तो जन्म दे दिया, नाम सब यशोदा जी का याद रखते हैं। तो देवकी की दृष्टि से, कोई माने ना माने कोई जाने ना जाने पुत्र मेरा ही है वो, कोई माने ना माने कोई जाने ना जाने पुत्र मेरा ही है वो, रहूंगी मैं माँ जननी उसकी सदा, रहूंगी मैं माँ जननी उसकी सदा, आखिर को है मनमोहन मेरा ही है वो।
बहुत ही सुंदर,
वाह,
बहुत ही सुंदर।
जबरदस्त जबरदस्त जबरदस्त।
Very
Thank you,
well
thank
written.
you.
Like everybody's perspective, huh?
Yeah,
Yes.
everybody's perspective. Vishwas, you want to add something? You want to recite some poem? You are the only one who has not recited 2 poems.
Yes, yes, yes. Just 1 minute.
Vishwas sir has written so many poems for his members, so I think he will have everything.
Yes. See, I would like each one of my reader feel like a hero or heroine after reading. Okay. So the poet, I mean, that is what the poetry should do. It should elevate, uplift your spirits, and particularly this time. The title is A Celluloid Wonder. After reading the poem, you should feel as if you are a celluloid wonder. When your smile utters my name, when your smile utters my name, my heart floats on the wings of your voice. When your smile utters my name, my heart floats on the wings of your voice, like an overnight celluloid wonder, like an overnight celluloid wonder floating on the wings, like an overnight celluloid wonder floating on the wings.
Very nice.
My favorite topic. I'm total Bollywood buff. That's why I find poetry very enchanting.
How come your Hindi?
Sir, I am like born and brought up in Lucknow, and I'm like Hindi मेरी मातृभाषा है.
I was wondering. Yes.
और English teacher by profession, तो दोनों language में मेरा, but I'm more comfortable with Hindi. बोलने में भले इंग्लिश ज्यादा निकलती होगी मुझसे, लेकिन पोएट्री में मेरा मन जो लगता है वो हिंदी पोएम में लगता है ज्यादा।
ये आपकी हिंदी है भी बहुत प्यारी, आपकी हिंदी बहुत प्यारी है, आपकी कविताएं बहुत अच्छी लिखी है, बहुत अच्छी है।
राधा और कृष्ण की कहानी जो आपने सुनाई है इतनी अच्छी है कि हमारे तो आंसू आ गए।
He is still crying.
Oh,
no.
Sir, the floods will come.
नहीं, बहुत ही अच्छी है, बहुत ही एकदम मतलब we will get a divine connection. तो
Yeah, and beautifully tackled like every angle of it from everybody's perspective taken into consideration, like, you know, very well.
That's why his personality is so enchanting, you know.
Yeah, and the most fabulous thing about Lord Krishna is that everybody wants a piece of him. But थोड़ा भी हमें मिले तो हम खुश हो जाए. His entire persona is like that.
Complaining. Nobody is complaining with whatever little they have got. They are happy with that.
He was.
Yes, true.
चलो इसी सुंदर कविता से में बात करते करते वक्त कैसे गुजरा कुछ पता ही नहीं चला. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे आप लोगों के बीच
नाम
इतनी खुशी हो रही है
खूबसूरत
मुझे कि सब लोग आप आए। एक तो हम लोगों ने बुलाया, आप सब लोग आए, और हमने जब ये शुरुआत की थी कभी सोचा भी नहीं था इतना अच्छा ये सफर होने वाला है। अभी अगले साल भी हम सोच रहे हैं और लोगों को बुलाने के लिए। सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी फॉर अस। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
All the
Yes.
best to both of you
All the best.
and to your
Thank
channel.
you.
Best wishes to you.
And
Thank you
Yes,
so
yes.
much, everyone.
I'm
great
going
meeting
to-
all new
Really
people
fun.
and new poets, and most of them teachers, yeah, and one principal also.
Engineers too.
I'm more of a
I am
teacher.
also a teacher.
Yeah,
I am a teacher
once
also.
a teacher, always
Once
a teacher.
always a teacher. See, we are saying the same thing too.
Hmm.
Admin is something
Actually,
I
everybody-
need to do, but teaching is my passion.
Yeah.
True, very
Yes.
true.
Thank you so much,
So
everyone.
it is wonderful. So
Yes.
thank you
Thanks for
all. Have a
calling.
nice
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thanks
Thank
for
you.
the invite. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank
And
you.
Happy New Year to
Thanks.
all of you.
Bye. Take
Bye
care.
bye.
Happy New
New Year
Year.
to all of
Happy
you.
New Year to
Happy
all
New
the
Year.
listeners
New Year
also,
in
viewers
advance.
also.
Yes.
See you. Bye bye.
And yes, let's
Okay,
strike on the
bye-bye.
right note. Exactly.